babes, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's makeup look, I have this Valentine's inspired makeup look. If you guys want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. To prime my eyes, I'm using the NARS concealer. This is in the shade medium 2. I'm just going to go ahead and blend it all over my eyelid using a foundation brush. The palette I'll be using is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics. This is the Runway palette. I'm going to go in with a flat brush. And the first shade I'll be using is the yellow shade. I'm just going to pack it onto my crease, the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with a blending brush and just blend everything in circular motions towards my brow bone. I'm using this Beauty Creations matte lipstick in the shade Get Over It as a base. For the next shade I'll be using, I'm going to go ahead and apply it all over my lid and just blend it out with a small foundation brush. Next, I'll be picking up this beautiful cranberry shade. I'm going to apply it all over my lid, right on top of the lipstick base that I just applied, and the brush I'm using is an Echo Tools eyeshadow brush. Now using a blending brush, I'm going to pick up a little bit more of the yellow shade and I'm going to mix it with the cranberry shade and make sure there are no harsh lines. I'm also going to use a little bit of the dark purple shade and apply it right on my lid on top of the cranberry shade. Then I'm going to go back with the same blending brush and just blend everything together. I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer in the shade 111 and I am going to draw my eyeliner with it. Now this is just going to be a base for the next shade I'll be applying. Next, I'll be picking up this shimmery shade, which is kind of like a purplish pinkish shade, and I'm going to be applying this right on top of the concealer. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and for falsies I'll be using the Bombshell Cosmetica lashes in the style Mimosa. These are my favorite lashes. I know you guys have seen me use them quite a few times now. These are very good quality, so I'm just going to pop these on. I'm taking the cranberry shade and just applying it to my lower lash line, and I'm just going to go in and blend it out. Next up, I'll be mixing these two shades together and I'll be applying it to my tear duct. Then I just applied a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes, and that is it. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.